Welcome to the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. Imagine a gigantic wave of water held back by an immense transparent wall. This isn't science fiction, it's a marvel of engineering. A 750mm thick panel of glass contains a vast ocean habitat. 10 million litres of water teem with life, a vibrant tapestry of marine creatures. This extraordinary structure is a testament to human ingenuity and our fascination with the underwater world. Join me now as we journey deeper, beyond the glass, to discover the wonders that await. Prepare to be amazed by the beauty and diversity of our planet's aquatic realms. Deep within the aquarium, a team of scientists is on a crucial mission, conserving the sand tiger shark. These magnificent creatures face a perilous future. Overfishing and habitat destruction threaten their survival. In Dubai, hope shines through. The aquarium's breeding program is a testament to human dedication. They've recreated the perfect environment for these sharks. Every birth is a victory for this vulnerable species. These pups represent a new generation. They carry the weight of their species on their backs. The hope is that one day these sharks will help repopulate our oceans. This is just one example of the incredible conservation work at the Dubai Aquarium. Their dedication to saving our oceans is truly inspiring. In a secluded enclosure, a true behemoth resides, King Croc. This colossal saltwater crocodile is a sight to behold, a living relic from a bygone era. Weighing over a ton and stretching over 16 feet long, he's a testament to the power and majesty of nature. Understanding the dietary needs of such a prehistoric predator is no easy feat. The team at the Dubai Aquarium has developed a specialized diet for King Croc, carefully replicating his natural prey. Whole chickens, fish, and even the occasional goat are on the menu. Observing King Croc's feeding habits provides valuable insights into the lives of these ancient reptiles. By studying his behavior and dietary preferences, we gain a deeper understanding of the ecological role crocodiles play in their natural habitats. King Croc is a powerful reminder of the importance of conservation. By protecting these apex predators, we help to maintain the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Intelligence takes many forms in the animal kingdom, and the Dubai Aquarium showcases some of the most fascinating examples. Take the octopus, for instance. These cephalopods are renowned for their problem-solving abilities and remarkable camouflage skills. Visitors can witness firsthand the cognitive prowess of these creatures. Aquarists have developed a series of enrichment activities, such as puzzle boxes filled with treats, to challenge the octopus's minds. Watching them strategize and manipulate objects with their nimble tentacles is a truly captivating experience. From the depths to the surface, we encounter another charismatic resident, the otter. These playful creatures are a joy to behold as they frolic and dive within their spacious enclosure. Their antics never fail to bring a smile to the faces of visitors, young and old. The aquarium's otter habitat is designed to mimic their natural riverine environment. Logs, rocks, and waterfalls provide ample opportunities for exploration and play, ensuring their physical and mental well-being. Section 5. Amazon in the Sands. Step into a world of lush greenery and cascading waterfalls, a stark contrast to the arid landscape outside. The Dubai Aquarium transports you to the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a biosphere teeming with life. This meticulously crafted exhibit recreates the humid tropical conditions of the Amazon basin. Exotic birds flit through the foliage, their vibrant plumage a stark contrast to the deep green canopy. Fish with shimmering scales dart through the waterways while reptiles bask on sun-drenched rocks. The rainforest biosphere highlights the interconnectedness of our planet's ecosystems. It serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of preserving these vital habitats, not just for the species that call them home, but for the health of our planet as a whole. Section 6. The life-saving horseshoe crab. In a world focused on impressive creatures, we often overlook smaller, less glamorous ones. The horseshoe crab is a prime example. Their blue blood contains Limulus amebocyte lysate, or LAL. LAL is used to test for bacterial contamination in vaccines and medical devices. After blood is drawn, horseshoe crabs are returned to the ocean. The Dubai Aquarium educates the public on their importance and survival. Section 7. Journey through the deep. Prepare to be immersed in an underwater world like no other. The Dubai Aquarium's tunnel takes you on a journey through the heart of the main tank. This marvel of German engineering is a testament to human ingenuity and the desire to connect with the ocean's depths. The tunnel's acrylic panels, seamlessly joined to create an uninterrupted view, seem to disappear as you're surrounded by water. Sharks glide effortlessly overhead, their sleek bodies cast in fleeting shadows. Rays, with their graceful movements and enigmatic smiles, appear to dance through the water. Overhead, glass-bottomed boats ferry visitors across the surface of the tank. The boat's transparent design allows for unobstructed views of the marine life below, creating a truly immersive experience. The aquarium tunnel is a marvel of both engineering and design, seamlessly blending functionality and aesthetics. It's a space where visitors can feel a sense of wonder and connection to the ocean's inhabitants. Section 8. Coral nurseries and seahorse tails. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are facing unprecedented threats from climate change, pollution, and destructive fishing practices. The Dubai Aquarium is actively engaged in efforts to restore these vital ecosystems through its coral propagation program. Within the aquarium's dedicated coral nursery, fragments of coral are carefully cultivated under controlled conditions. These fragments grow and thrive, eventually forming new colonies that can be transplanted back into the ocean. In another corner of the aquarium, a different kind of conservation story unfolds. The dwarf seahorse, one of the smallest seahorse species in the world, is a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly into its seagrass habitat. The aquarium's breeding program for these delicate creatures is crucial for their conservation. By carefully replicating their natural environment and providing optimal conditions for breeding, the aquarium contributes to the survival of this vulnerable species. Section 9. Virtual oceans and penguin plunges. Technology and conservation go hand in hand at the Dubai Aquarium. The VR dive experience transports visitors to the depths of the ocean, allowing them to come face-to-face with marine creatures without getting wet. This immersive experience utilizes cutting-edge virtual reality technology to create a realistic and engaging underwater adventure. Swim alongside whales, marvel at the bioluminescence of deep-sea creatures, and explore shipwrecks teeming with life, all from the comfort of the aquarium. From the virtual depths to the icy landscapes of the Arctic, the Dubai Aquarium takes you on a journey to meet some of the most charismatic birds on the planet, penguins. The penguin habitat is carefully climate-controlled to replicate their natural environment. Visitors can watch as these tuxedo-clad birds waddle, swim, and interact with each other, offering a glimpse into their fascinating lives. The exhibit highlights the importance of protecting these iconic creatures and their fragile polar habitats. Section 10. Rescue and rehabilitation. The Dubai Aquarium is not just a showcase of marine life, it's a sanctuary for injured and rescued animals. The dedicated team of marine biologists and veterinarians work tirelessly to rehabilitate animals that have been affected by pollution, entanglement, or other human-induced threats. Sea turtles, often victims of plastic pollution and fishing nets, receive specialized care and treatment at the aquarium's rehabilitation facility. Once they've regained their strength and health, they are released back into the wild, equipped with satellite tags to track their progress. The aquarium's commitment to animal welfare extends beyond its walls. The team works closely with local authorities and conservation organizations to rescue and rehabilitate marine animals in distress along the UAE's coastline. The success stories of animals returned to their natural habitats are a testament to the dedication and compassion of the aquarium staff. Each release represents a victory for conservation and a second chance for these incredible creatures. Section 11. An Ocean of Hope. As we conclude our journey through the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, we're left with a sense of awe and inspiration. This incredible facility is far more than just a tourist attraction, it's a beacon of hope for the future of our oceans. Through its conservation efforts, research initiatives, and educational programs, the aquarium is raising awareness about the importance of protecting our marine environment. It's a place where visitors can connect with the wonders of the underwater world and learn about the challenges facing our oceans. The Dubai Aquarium stands as a testament to what can be achieved when human ingenuity and passion for conservation unite. It's a reminder that we all have a role to play in safeguarding our planet's precious marine life for generations to come. Let us leave with a renewed sense of responsibility to protect our oceans and all the creatures that call them home. The future of our blue planet depends on it.